Hi everyone, welcome to Two in a Billion. My name is Shashank and I'm here with my brother Ronak. We haven't really thought about a USP for this channel yet. I guess हम लोग WhatsApp पे players को गाली दे दे के थक गए थे तो we needed another outlet to channelize our energy. Ronak, do you want to add anything?
It's been an ages dream which we've been trying to do, I guess. Yes, like the logo says or the name says, which is two in a billion. We're just two people out of the billions in the world who watches cricket, and trying to get some of our analysis in places. Some stupid analysis. Some might feel stupid. Some might feel great.
The first part that we'll be doing is what are our impressions of the teams, what are the things that need to go right for them to qualify, and thirdly, our predictions for the season.
Offer predictions.
Ronak, what team do you want to start with?
As you know, I'm a avid CSK fan, and yeah, I know you want to dissect it very badly. But let's start with that. So you can begin with CSK.
CSK, what are your initial thoughts, Ronak? Do you want to kill yourself?
Uh, I don't want to kill. It was just the first game, and I would still say there are 13 more games left. Again, the expectations are not that high, but again, CSK being CSK, they always have the habit of bouncing back. Uh, Again, the top guns should मतलब should perform. I feel इतना पैसा देके लाया है लोगों को तो थोड़ा तो perform करना बनता है. But let's wait. First match है. Let's give them a time.
I am an RCB fan, by the way, but I've always been a big fan of how both CSK and MI have gone about things. Like, it's clear, CSK always has had a very clear plan of how they want to do things. What was
Yeah.
different between then and now is तू कोई भी CSK का टीम लेके देख राइट फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट तेरा 7 से 8 प्लेयर फिक्स था. Obviously, you
Hmm.
had the core of Raina, Dhoni, Jaddu, and all वो crop of players. But I feel 2023 के बाद उनका ऐसा हो गया है कि playing 11 में there's barely 4 players you can name who will play at any cost. क्या हो रहा है कि अभी तू सीएसके का जो मैं देख रहा हूँ अभी जो अलग है इज तू देख now people say that not people say actually cricket has changed now and in the last 2 years or so वो टेम्पलेट ही बदल गया T20 क्रिकेट का. ठीक है. सो सीएसके का इशू ये हो रहा है कि से इफ यू यू फर्स्टली यू नीड टॉप 3 में यू नीड लाइक एटलीस्ट 2 प्लेयर्स आउट ऑफ इट जो 200 के ऊपर के स्ट्राइक रेट से खेले. And
But
first,
if you see, sorry to cut you. But अगर if तू देख रहा है तो Samson and Ruturaj Gaikwad are those players. I wouldn't say they have a 200 strike rate. Samson does have, like, he has the potential of going about 200. Plus, he ended up in the World Cup with around 196 or 197 strike rate. Ruturaj ends up around 160, 175 if you see as an average.
कौन सा
Uh,
मैच खेल रहा है भाई 160 पे. कभी कौन कौन सा
वो ऋतुराज, अरे यार ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ खेलता है यार, तब
कौन
जाके तो
सा
इतने. हाँ.
मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ को 170 के स्ट्राइक.
I'll check the facts now itself, दिख जाएगा ना कि क्या है. अच्छा, इसका रिकॉर्ड इज लाइक अराउंड 136.
अरे बात 136 का वो नहीं है. इट इज जस्ट दैट इफ यू लुक एट लाइक आई एम नॉट सेइंग लाइक एनीवन कैन प्ले एट द स्ट्राइक रेट ऑफ 200. वो पॉइंट नहीं है. द ओनली थिंग इज ऋतुराज उस ही दैट इज आउटसाइड हिज कंफर्ट जोन. तू देखेगा इवन हाउ ही गॉट आउट टू आर्चर ही हैड टू मैन्युफैक्चर दैट शॉट. तो इट इज नॉट हिज नेचुरल गेम.
वो डेस्परेशन था. आई स्टिल फील पहला मैच है. Still didn't get the team they wanted. I think they're still figuring out. Obviously, Deval Pravesh moving out, getting in Matthew Short, changed their entire combination. And I still feel Lee was not a like-to-like replacement for Deval Pravesh. Matthew Short is always an underconfident batsman.
बट
Day one.
आई सॉ द टीम तेरे पास कोई ओवरसीज ऐसा कोई बैट्समैन है ही
हाँ. See, there are no big
consider
players or big match type players which you're talking about. उतने बड़े तो है नहीं, मुझे वो तो मुझे भी पता है. अगेन इट्स लाइक दैट, जैसे तूने बोला कि डैड्स आर्मी है, जीतेगी नहीं जीतेगी, वैसा वाला फंडा भी वो आइडियोलॉजी यहाँ पे लाया कि हम यंग लोग को लेके आए हैं, लेट्स वर्क विद देम एंड लेट्स सी हाउ दे परफॉर्म, यू नो.
हाँ
एंड
आई
अगेन
थिंक देख एट इफ देयर्स इवन गोइंग टू बी लाइक अ रिमोट चांस ऑफ देम क्वालिफाइंग, वो वैसे होना पड़ेगा कि 2-3 प्लेयर्स हैव टू क्लिक आउट ऑफ द ब्लू. तो
हाँ, तो अगेन लाइक आई सेड, मेरे को भी इतना मेरे को ये पता है कि दे स्टिल विल हैव टू फाइंड द कोर. मतलब सीएसके हैज बीन नोन फॉर द कोर प्लेयर्स ओवर द इयर्स. तो शिवम दुबे पे भरोसा रख के उसको अभी भी कंटिन्यू रखा है. सो अगेन अगेन व्हेन धोनी इज मूविंग आउट, तब उनको समझेगा कि एक्चुअल पीक क्या है एज अ प्लेयर. सो यू सी देयर आर ओनली टू कोर प्लेयर्स. आई फील वन इज गायकवाड़ एंड वन इज दुबे. दो ही लोग हैं उनके कोर प्लेयर में.
आई थिंक
बाकी
तेरे पास
बाकी
लाइक व्हेन आई लुक एट सीएसके, मेरे को लगता है कि तेरा 4 प्लेयर कंफर्म है जो 11 में खेलेगा. वन इज योर सैमसन, गायकवाड़,
ओपनर ओपनर.
ब्रेविस और दुबे. ये
हाँ,
आउट ऑफ 11. इसके बाद तू कुछ भी कर सकता है. आई कि यू कैन प्ले कार्तिक शर्मा एट 3, यू कैन प्ले उर्विल एट 3, यू कैन प्ले आयुष एट 3. तो मुझे ये नहीं दिखता है टीम में कि स्पेसिफिक रोल्स है. आई फील इवन जैसे कार्तिक
तो
शर्मा.
प्लग एंड प्ले वाला कर रहा है
हाँ
फिलहाल. मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ ना, दे आर स्टिल फिगरिंग आउट इन टर्म्स ऑफ द कॉम्बिनेशंस की किसको क्या. आई डोंट फील आयुष मात्रे इज अ वन डाउन प्लेयर, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. बिकॉज उसको वो नया बॉल का खिलाड़ी है. चलो ठीक है, उस दिन उसको मिल गया बट ही डिडंट परफॉर्म. बट आई डोंट थिंक इज अ वन डाउन प्लेयर, इज मोर ऑफ अ नेचुरल ओपनर इज व्हाट द गेम इज. अगेन टू पुश हिम आउट ऑफ हिज लिमिट टू प्ले वन डाउन. हाँ, बीइंग क्रिकेट, हाँ तुमको खेलना चाहिए, बट ही इज ऑलवेज बीन positioned as an opening batsman. He plays there. उसका ये I think few combination changes is something. If they want सरफराज to be there again, अगर उसको subs कर रहे हैं तो खिलाओ. तुम आयुष मात्रे को रखो as a sub. More than dynamic batsman उनको चाहिए रहेगा. उर्विल पटेल is more of a dynamic batsman than uh, आयुष मात्रे. He's got lot of range shots over here. तो उनको है ना कॉम्बिनेशन बिठाना पड़ेगा for them to have a good season this year.
I just feel like if you look at the other teams, ठीक है, like which top 3 would you say is worse than CSK or less explosive than CSK? Like
I
तू
would
कैसे भी कॉम्बिनेशन बिठा ले, बीट उर्विल को ले ले या फिर फॉर लाइक तू ब्रेविस को ले ले, किसको भी ले ले तेरे हिसाब से.
the top three में they're not.
Strategy was very confusing for me. Like I could understand them going for maybe one middle order player, but they didn't invest on any foreign batter or any quality foreign bowler. So
They were looking for a seeming all-rounder.
like I'll
So
be very surprised if CSK make the top 4 this time. I'll be very surprised.
we've already placed a challenge for each other for this
Yeah,
anyway.
yeah.
So I hope CSK makes it. Otherwise, I'll have to start building an EMI for your jersey. That's what I've told after the first match performance. But मैं वही बोल रहा यार, मतलब I guess I don't want to get too analytical with the team currently. Uh, like start में मैंने बोला पहला मैच है I guess, and I guess the next match is after 2 days. The only thing is the fortune will come back for them when Deval Bravis comes in. That's what I feel. The combination has to for them has to be right this time. And अगर ये लोग साथ में सिर्फ combination बनाने में ले गए, then I guess I'll hand over the jersey to as soon as possible. But yeah, that's how it will be.
What do
क्योंकि
you,
अगर
like we'll just move on to the next question, which is what do you think CSK need to qualify for top 4?
has to fire, the top four has to fire. They have to be in a very good form. Again, bowling wise, I feel still Khalil has done very well. If you see the first match, uh, उसने काफी अच्छा bowling डाला. Irrespective how Suryavanshi was smacking Matt Henry, Anshul Kamboj, left, right. I'm saying for the correct mantra, I feel top four has to fire. the top four has to be consistent, and if that happens, I think they will be for sure there. And getting the combinations right in terms of which are your key movement players who need to be there, not being in that ifs and buts position like they were there in the last 2 years. I guess this other things they need to get right. And yeah, I feel ये चीजें कर लिया तो I think they should be there in the top four. What do you think in this?
मेरे को इतना एनालिटिकल है ही नहीं। मेरा आंसर बहुत सिंपल है इसमें। मेरे को लगता है द ओनली वे दे कैन क्वालिफाई इज गो बैक टू चेपॉक्स पिक्चर्स 10 years बैक। खड्डा बनाना पड़ेगा फिर से चेपॉक में, एंड होप कि जो क्लासिक स्पिन चोक वाले टैक्टिक्स थे तभी तभी वही वाला इम्प्लीमेंट करके। बट आई डोंट नो विद द क्वालिटी ऑफ स्पिनर्स, बट आई थिंक क्वालिटी ऑफ स्पिनर्स आर डिसेंट, राइट? देयर इज नूर, देयर इज राहुल चार, देयर श्रेयस गोपाल, सो आई डोंट नो। बट एनीवे मेरे को लगता है कि फॉर सीएसके द ओनली वे टू क्वालिफाई इज उनका जो होम मैचेस है, दे विल हैव टू विन मोस्ट ऑफ देम।
They'll have to win all. They'll have to win all in order to have some chances to be there in the top third. I wouldn't say top two, to to be in the third or fourth position for the eliminators.
For me, like it might seem like a very left field opinion, but Ruturaj Gaikwad doesn't fit in top four for me. Like I would try opening with Samson and Mhatre with Brevis at three, because power play, the way cricket has changed, I know three might be one position up for Brevis, but I think the situation that CSK is in right now, you can play Brevis at three, and then based on the situation, if you need, say, if you lose wickets early, you put Ruturaj at four, or you can just send Dubey at four. And if not, Ruturaj can save the collapse if it happens, and then Dubey can finish off the innings with Karthik Sharma at six.
I think he did try getting to one down is what last year he was trying one down position. But again, I guess this time the CSK wanted him to open with Samson. But it's a good perspective, like from an anchoring the entire team. If your chips are down, and I feel it's a good combination to work with. Probably we could suggest this to them, writing an email. But yeah, thought अच्छा है. But I still feel they'll not change those combination of opening.
ये सब नायडू ने जो गाली दिया आरसीबी वालों को, लगा हाई लगा है और कुछ नहीं।
तो उसमें से तू एक है ना उसमें से तो I feel like if पहले भी तूने बोला we are missing a player like Raidu who can bat at any position given the situation, and currently dependable players build नहीं हुए हैं CSK के लिए. And I feel that is what the missing part is, which we are able to see in the last three tournaments. I guess after that loss, like 24 से हमको वही दिख रहा है. And I feel this year, even if they don't end up entering the top four or something, I still feel this team would build around these young guys. Always have an eye on key players की कैसे perform क्या करे. And like if you see overall, uh, I was listening to the interview of इरफान पठान commentary जब कर रहे थे इन लोग, तो लोग ये धोनी की टीम नहीं है, ये ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ की टीम है. So that's what it's not, this is not Dhoni's planning or Dhoni something, and which is right, which is the right way to look. Keep going forward. Dhoni is not going to be there. I guess he's going to be playing more like a mentor role, or the owner sort of a role for CSK. And if Rituraj would be building this team, तो उसके आइडियोलॉजी से ये टीम बननी चाहिए, and जो बन रही है मेरे ख्याल से. I still feel हम लोग को उनको थोड़ा टाइम देंगे तो we'll have to see. But again, IPL is so fast, so cruel that कोई टाइम देना नहीं चाहता है किसी को. आजकल उतना फास्ट पेस हो गया है बिकॉज सबको भाई चाहिए 250 ये वो जो भी है, मतलब that's how it is.
Dubey was probably the only retention that
Right.
made sense. So वो भी I think they'll need, in my opinion, they'll need another mega auction. अभी
So the funny part is मैं ना ये so we have also another cricket group. मैंने ये बोला भी था शायद तेरे को personally कि CSK, my friend was saying that कि CSK and United are running in the same path
Hmm.
journey. No, they had all the glories in the last
Hmm.
10, 15 और 20 years. Probably United has उनसे भी ज्यादा था. And अभी क्या हो रहा है कि दोनों एक ही टाइम पे फेल होना चालू हो गए.
Hmm.
And unfortunately, the guy is fan of both the teams.
Hmm.
तो वही बोल रहा है कि आगे यूनाइटेड के पाथ पे चल रहा है, कर रहे थे अच्छा है, 10 साल का ग्लोरी, 5 ट्रॉफी, 50 ट्रॉफी, जो भी है.
Hmm.
बट अभी इन लोग वही पाथ पे चल रहा है. आई स्टिल फील, मतलब मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि दे विल बाउंस बैक एंड होप आई गेट माय जर्सी फ्रॉम यू.
Hmm.
बट ठीक है, मतलब आई डोंट वांट टू बी लाइक टू मच क्रिटिसाइजिंग. Yes, obviously there's been a lot of wrong which has happened in terms of the selection, in terms of the auction, what they have done. बट एट द एंड ऑफ डे अभी जो है वो है, जो मतलब अभी जो खाना बना है, प्लेट पे डाला है, वही खाना पड़ेगा, वही टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. कड़वा लगेगा, सब कुछ लगेगा. At the end of day, when I guess when the entire IPL is over, we'll be dissecting more about it.
I'll ask the ultimate question. Where do you think CSK will finish?
I think from a fan perspective, I know they'll not end up in the top two position. Hopefully they do, but I see them somewhere between third and fourth position. Fourth, to be more precise, they end up inching there to qualify for the eliminators. That is what I think as a fan. Purely from a logic perspective, looking at the performance on the first match, I don't know. Like I said, don't want to be very critical in terms of that. But somewhere between 4 to 7 is something.
4 to 7.
I don't think I don't think they'll end up with the in the bottom of the table for sure.
Oh,
What about, I know you. I don't want to ask the same question to you. I don't want to ask the same question to you
yeah.
because I know you're thinking they'll end up at the bottom of table. That's what.
I think
But yeah.
I'll be surprised if CSK don't end up in the bottom three. I'll be surprised. I think for me, if they end up anywhere, even fifth or sixth, like higher the better, obviously for you. But I'll be very surprised if they end up even fifth or sixth. I think, yeah.
नहीं, ठीक है, मतलब fair enough. Uh, I know a lot of people are not happy with the way things have been moving like this way.
Yeah,
हाँ,
I am
yeah.
very happy with the thing with things are moving.
Obviously because your RCB team is winning, right?
खिलाओ भाई
हाँ,
और 4 साल धोनी को खिलाओ.
खेला हो गया अभी यार, क्या करेंगे मतलब. uh, but some things are not like control the controllables is something which I obviously
The
there is
cricket
something.
gods are angry with you because Dhoni is doing everything that he stood against in his prime. बेचारा सहवाग हरभजन लोग को बोलता था तुम कैच नहीं पकड़ सकते, तुम ये नहीं कर सकते,
नहीं,
नहीं कर
ये
सकते.
ये 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 वाले पे I don't want to get into this conversation because I think we'll dissolve the purpose of having this entire but again वो combination, वो thought process as a team, uh, yes, it has not been thought in the best interest of CSK, like you said. मुझे नहीं लगता है कि अगेन रिटेनिंग धोनी फॉर फोर्थ ईयर वाज इन द बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट. बट हाँ, मतलब अभी जो है वो है.
On that note, I think we should wrap this up.
Yes. And I guess we'll be back with the second one very soon after
Hopefully.
editing. Hopefully after editing all of these things.